the scene in certain parts around town, and you've been fairly busy.
I've been running around. I do radio too, so running from radio to you guys, and yes, it's been a very busy morning.
And it's what everyone wants to talk about.
I know
it affects all of us.
Thunder woke me up, and I bet it woke you up too. Lots of wonderful pictures coming in. I want to show you what's going on right now. So if you live out west of town, right around 3 o'clock, we had a lot of lightning move through. You can see it right there on satellite and radar. That has since fizzled out, but that cluster of storms put down 75 lightning strikes in just 15 minutes. How about out east of town? This is where we've seen the most recent lightning strikes out toward Harmony Point and Happy Valley. Rumbling there just within the last 15 minutes or so. Further to the south, we're catching a break between Woodburn and Brooks and Salem. But then look at what's going on in the Cascade foothills between Staten and Lyons and Mill City. Another strong thunderstorm moving from south to north. We'll put our lightning track on there. Number of lightning strikes, 17 in the last 15 minutes. So this is another very active cell, and it's moving from south to north. So we'll be tracking this very closely. Potentially round 2 of thunder and lightning moving up into the Portland metro area. East of the Cascades, it's a quieter start to the day. We did have a few bolts of lightning around Madras earlier this morning. There's a red flag warning in effect east of the mountains everywhere where you see red. This is through Saturday because of the fire danger. Thunderstorms will fire up there later on this afternoon, and then there's a fire weather watch down to the south. Here's a live look outside. First light of day on the horizon. Plenty of clouds out there and warm temperatures. Hard to remember the last time when we were waking up with temperatures near 70 degrees. I want to show you the lightning show we captured from the top of the KOIN Tower right about 3 o'clock this morning. A few lightning strikes out toward the east side of town in Gresham, and watch as your screen just lights up here in a second. Slow motion lightning, and then wow, look at that bolt. So we will return you now to current temperatures. 71 degrees downtown at 67 toward Vancouver. Warmer air can hold more moisture, and moisture is one of the very important ingredients to create a thunderstorm. So that, along with the lift from a disturbance moving from south to north up the Willamette Valley. It's quieter this morning out along the coast. Also quieter toward the Dalles. 75 degrees there, 64 in Bend. So we'll continue to see a few thunderstorms this morning. Increasing sun breaks through the afternoon. High temperatures once again on the warm side, upper 80s, and the slight chance of a few pop-up thunderstorms west of the Cascades this afternoon, but especially over the higher terrain and points east. I'll show you that here on your rain and cloud forecast. Here's 5 in the morning. That disturbance not picking up on it all that well, but you know, you can see the clouds associated with it. And then this afternoon, increasing sunshine, but again, some pop-up thunderstorms possible east of the mountains. That's why we've got the red flag warning there. Morning clouds tomorrow out along the coast. Increasing sunshine though, and with the heat of the day east of the mountains, thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon, and then a repeat on Sunday afternoon. You can see all those blossoming up Sunday by 4 o'clock. Your forecast along the coast, partly cloudy, breezy this afternoon. We've got those northwest winds piping about 20 to 25 miles an hour along the coast. Temperatures through the valley once again in the 80s and 90s. Storms develop east of the Cascades with temperatures in the 90s and triple digits for some of you. So here's your 7-day forecast. Saturday, morning cloud areas, otherwise sunny and warm. Same situation for Sunday, quieter weather on the way. And then next week will be pretty nice. We cool down ever so slightly into the mid and lower 80s with morning clouds and afternoon sunshine.